Mark of Motoring Motivations. Today we're adding a piece to Enchantress, a Christie 2012 Mini Cooper Coupe JCW. So this is a pretty neat kit. It comes from Mini. It's a factory thing. You can order just the bag, or you can put together a kit, or you can order the whole kit. This is a neat little bag. Inside here is a quart of oil, two paper funnels, a set of gloves, some napkins, and some hand wipes, like towelette type of things. But this kit, you can put it together, or you can just get the bag. This is very unique because it has 3 Velcro pieces on the back. It also has a thing to slide some identification or something that you want on there. Neat is the Velcro is very unique, because what we'll do is, for space efficiency, we can put the Velcro, stay right there in the car in the back. Or if we wanted, we can put it up here in the nook to basically utilize that space so that you can use it for other type of things. So that way you still have the full space available to you. BMW makes these where they say BMW. There's the same size and everything, but this one is a mini one. You can get it. It just kind of adds a neat little touch to the car. Because there's oil in there, and we have it in a container inside of a Ziploc bag in addition to that, just so if for some reason it spills out, you want to make sure the lid's tight. Put it in another bag just in case she leaks out. But with it pointed up and down, there's less chance of that happening. But this is just another upgrade to Christie's Enchantress. Thanks.